Alright, more junk. Let's see what else we got. More boxes. Clean your table off. There you go. Clean table. Alright, one of these. See what's in it. Feels kind of lopsided. I'm going to guess another cylinder. But an overhead cylinder, panhead probably. Yep, another cylinder. You're pretty good at feeling the weight of cylinders. I've been buying a lot of them lately. Off your airbags and takes up less space. These don't pack very well because they blow up. Alright, what do we got this time? Now it's trying to get wet. When you open packs, it's a lot easier to open up how it comes apart. It's apart a lot easier than fighting it. This one's not trying to go in the floor, so I'm going to visit that crank over there. Alright, let's see what we got this time. Okay, it must be a front cylinder because now I got a new way of identifying. If it's got the titty on it, it's the front. I didn't know that before, now I know it. See, I learned something today. It's a good thing. Learn something today, you're good. Yeah, see it's all thin all the way around? That's a front cylinder. It's got the casting marks on it. Right there. Means a genuine Harley. Look for broken fins. No broken fins, I like that. Big ass bore again though, but that's about normal. That's all you buy these days. That sharp like always will cut you open. Okay, what do we got here? They're claiming this 56 cylinder. Yeah. 502 bore, so that's a loose standard 80. Or a loose 60 over 74. Looks like a fresh bore job. So this guy must have bored a bunch of cylinders out and just bored them until they clean. Because they keep boring them too damn big. You're supposed to leave some honing material. Cylinder clean, it should be 498 should be final bore for a 60 over piston. And that thing's 4 thou bigger than that. You still got to hone it. That's 7 thou bigger. You got to leave 3 thou for honing at least. Rings don't like seating on that surface like that. This only got surface rust, no barnacles. That's good. I don't see no hiccup in the bore, so that's a plus. Just they made it too big for no reason, so this has got to be honed out 6/1000s to get it to put a piston in it. This one's already been blasted, so it won't take much to clean it up again. See, this one's pretty easy to work on. So we learned out before that on the right side you got the titty here to identify it as the front. It's an internal oiler, so it's panhead. Plus it's got the scallop-shaped head gasket surface, panhead. It's got the spigot on there, so it's panhead, not knuckle. Some knuckles have them, some don't. And then the other thing is it's got the oil lines in here, grooves going through here, which denotes it's not a knuckle. Just got the breather one's the big fat one, and the pressure one's a little thin one. Shovelhead cylinders have just the pressure side, they don't have the one here. So, there you go. And just between the panhead and shovelhead is the bolt pattern. One head bolt's off, and it's the one in the middle of the cylinder. This one here is the one that's different, as I recall. They moved them out so you get easier access to tighten your bolts down. So this is the one that got moved. On a knucklehead, there's 2 of them that are different. I think this outer one over here is also moved. I think both of these are moved. See, these are more symmetrical. See, the gap here is a little closer. When they move it out closer right over here, it gets really far between here. But that's the way it goes. Actually on the wrong side. That is the back of the motor. Just the left side. So this is the hole they move. And this one's already out pretty far, so this is probably pan. So they must move this bolt over here, because I don't remember being such a big gap over here on a shovel. And see, that's right where the intake cutaway is for the intake manifold to be, for the panhead, so that's why they had the bolt over here. So this is the bolt hole that got moved, it's this back one, so it'll be back in front. So if I had a head gasket laying around, I could lay it on C for sure, but that's probably what they did. That'll equalize this gap between here. So, be a little better. Actually, we do have a shovel cylinder laying over there, but it's not easy to get to. Okay, this camera, I hate this new camera. I gotta get used to it. I'm gonna lock on it and everything. Alright, so this here is your head bolts hole for a shovel cylinder. So if you look at where this one is here, see it's right next to this bolt hole. This is our front. Which one do we think is moved? I think this one's the one that got moved. Here, no, this is the one that got moved. One in the center of the V. Yeah, right. Got moved over. So you see where this is right here? It's right along this cutaway here. Except we're on the wrong cylinder, but same difference. See the head bolts right here? So it would be right through here, not over here in the center. See, it's almost dead center. This one's not dead center. See, it's over here. It would have to be over here to be centered. So they moved it from here to here, which made it easier to tighten stuff up. Because the intake manifold on a panhead is right coming through here, so they had to have room in here for more clearance. So that's why they cut that all out. So there you go. That's how you identify. Out by the bolt pattern. Not that it really matters, but I think this has been trimmed over here for something. This is probably a broken fin that got hidden by making it look like it belonged there. There's no reason for that cut out. Alright, so overall that's a decent cylinder, but the same thing, it's big. We're going to have to go 70 over to make this work. So, what code is on this? This is, what is that, a B or D? It's a D code. Yeah. I think D is early and F's late, but that's me. Alright, there's that one. Let's go see what's in out of the box. Hey, is there another cylinder in there? Might be. We'll see.